In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play Blox Fruits on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Roblox game. Then on the top right side, you will see the search option. Go on that, press X. Now here search for blocks, and after you search for blocks, just blocks, you will see the blocks fruits in the left side. So go on that and press X. Now go on the green button and press X, and the blocks fruits game will start. So this is how you can play blocks fruits on PS5. Thanks for watching.